Hey, how's it going? I hope you're having a great day and welcome back to my channel. If you know me from my previous channel, you know that I've been riding a Honda Ruckus, a little 49cc moped for the last 3 years. On my previous channel, I did a couple POV rides, some POV rides and skateboarding, and I did a oil change tutorial video. But a couple weeks ago, I finally decided to trade that in and get something a little bit bigger, something a little bit louder, something a little bit faster. And by a little bit, I mean a lot faster. And without further ado, I'm gonna cut this clip straight to what it is right here. All right, so here it is. This is my 2024 Yamaha R3, which is a super upgrade from my little tiny Ruckus, which was 49 cc's. This is 321. I went with the R3 for a starter bike mainly because of the Tron movie. Back in the day, I'm pretty sure I went to the movie theater 5 times to watch that movie when it came out. And I've always been fascinated with just the shape and the seating position of sport bikes. And when I saw this R3 for sale at a local dealership, I couldn't help myself but trade in the Ruckus for an upgrade. My Honda Ruckus was a 2023 Honda Ruckus, and it had around 3,000 miles. And I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. It's so sleek. And I'm going to be getting some POV riding videos, so much content to do. Also, this came equipped with an exhaust, a slip-on exhaust. The taillight delete, so it brought the taillight in a little bit, and it has passenger pegs, it has spools on the side, it has these newer mirrors as well. And I think there's a couple other things that it had added to it, but I bought this bike used. And it had 900 miles on it, which I think is a steal. And with it being a Yamaha R3, I'm hoping that it holds its resale value. But this right here is now officially added to the fleet of blue vehicles and will be on this channel way more often than not. I guess the only logical question next is, do I have my motorcycle license? And no, I do not, because where I live, for a 49cc vehicle, you only need your normal driver's license. So join me as I take my motorcycle permit test. And I'm hoping when I do my MSF course training after that they'll let me film. I ordered a chin mount, and I actually bought all the gear at Cycle Gear. Shout out Anthony for the help, putting me onto the safest stuff and the most quality for a good price gear that they had. But yes, tomorrow I'm going to be taking my permit test, and you will be right there along with me. Now, let's get a little clip of this exhaust, because it sounds so good. The Akrapovic slip-on exhaust is so good. It sounds still like a lawnmower, yes, but oh yeah, let's go. But this is what it's looking like right here. I don't think there's any baffle in it, but it sounds absolutely amazing. I love this thing. I'm so psyched on it. Set up you guys up and see if I can get some rev clips. Right, she's a little warmed up. Let's give her a couple of revs. Nice. Now here in my room, I got the rest of my gear. I got myself a little showy helmet, Alpinestars Tech Air 5 Plasma airbag vest. I have these Alpinestars gauntlets, and then I have these REAX pants. I don't know much about those. And then right here, I have my Alpinestars like breathable mesh jacket. And I can't forget, I also got these as well to match the helmet. So I'm gonna be full noob out there, full squid, but I'm honestly so hyped, and I literally cannot wait to show you and bring you along for the journey of filming. Clearly I need practice filming because I just completely missed my face on camera. Willow in the background going crazy. But I'll see you tomorrow at my permit test and hopefully be going for my first ride on a motorcycle ever tomorrow. So on the way now to the DMV, about to take this permit test. I'm gonna see if I can bring you in with me. I'm not sure how they feel about cameras there, but let's get this going. Just made it to the DMV. Hopefully I don't have to wait in a super long line. Don't think I will, but let's get this. Here we go. I should have brought the DJI Mics because I can connect it to this phone, but I'm pretty sure I'm chilling. This time. Oh, easiest test I've ever taken, but about to head out and try to get a ride maybe. Maybe I'll conclude the video here. What's up, bro?
What's up? Yeah, just cool.
Little surprise.
Little motorcycle venture. Are those both yours?
Dude, that's how we got here.
Dude, fuck yeah. Nice. Fuck yeah, that's sick. And you got a bike.
Exactly, bro.
That
Perfect
motorcycle
timing.
right there, the blue one is mine, and the dark blue one is Gabe's.
No chance. Wait,
Dude, look.
Let's go check it out. Wait, is this Laguna Seca?
This color is Laguna Seca. This color is some other color. But this is Gabe's bike, bro.
Bruh. What the fuck? How did I not know about this at all?
Dude, the other day when we were Uber Eats and stuff, I almost slipped up like multiple times. He's had this thing for like a week now.
Are you fucking serious?
Dude, I'm dead ass. Yo, tell him about the air caps, dude.
Oh yeah, dude. All right, so these air caps right here, I have them on my bike too. Wherever. Oh yeah. Air caps on my bike. So those are air caps off of the NASCARs. So I had a whole bag of them when I left working for NASCAR, and I've fucking been giving them out to all my friends that have motorcycles.
Yo.
Dude, they're pretty fire.
Dude, what the fuck? Did you buy it new?
No, used.
Oh, fuck yeah. Dude, that's insane. Do you have your like license and shit?
He's got his permit.
That's perfect. Dude, that's
Dude, fuck
sick.
yeah, bro. Vroom,
That's so
vroom,
fire.
dude.
Damn. This is the real deal. Dude, I
Put it
literally
between
like,
your legs.
I heard fucking,
Stand it up. No. Like,
oh gosh,
there you go.
dude, I heard like motorcycles, but I thought some guys were just perusing through. That's so sick.
Now you need one, bro.
How much is a motorcycle? What nuts.
Yeah, bro. Now you need a bike. See, then you could start.
Dude, no way, you got a fucking bike?